Alexander, how you doing, handsome? I got some treats for you. I know you need treats because you've been ignored. You've got a new brother, don't you? You want some Knickers? There you go. Oh, good crunchies. Aren't you handsome? Mwah. Good kisses. You're like, you've got more, right? Come on. There you go. Oh, do you hear Sonny over there? He's hollering. Yeah. But that's your new buddy, isn't it? That's Mac. He came early. But we gotta give you treats because you're our buddy, aren't you? You're such a good boy. All right, one more knicker maker. There you go. Is that good stuff, handsome? Yeah. All right. Thank you for the kisses. Be good to your new buddy. Hi, bud. Who would like some treaties? Will you give kisses? Good girl. Mr. Sonny. Good boy. Yes. You're so good. I missed you. You wouldn't have liked the beach anyway. Too hot. Yes, you wouldn't have liked it. I enjoyed it. Mr. Al really enjoyed it. He's kind of an alcoholic. Yes. But that's okay. See, we'll go back and forth between my babies. Even though someone busted up his barrier on Alex, the boy. See, we've got new fence in. We've got now new treats. I'll give you that little piece. I missed you. Can I get kisses? Thank you, sweetheart. There you go, knicker maker. Oh, that's so grown. Yum, yum, yum. Crunchies. Oh, you're trying to give French kisses? Yeah? You love your people. Oh, you do. Miss Meg loves her people, too. There you go. That's your last treaty, my dear. It is. Yes, I know. You're so excited because you like your treats. And I can tell the boy gave you an entire bag of carrots while I was gone, didn't he? Yeah, he did. You're telling on him, aren't you? That's okay. It was your birthday yesterday, wasn't it? Was it your birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Sonny. Happy birthday to you. Yes, you're welcome, sir. Can you give kisses? Now, I heard you broke into that. Be a good boy. Yeah, you somehow managed to break into that and eat 2 days worth of grain. So you got more than enough treats yesterday, sir. And you are just sweet. Yes, we'll let you out without a muzzle today. Yes. I thank you.